Zisaloku zulandela njalo izinkinga umnyango wezempilo eGauteng owangamele lo mnyango uDokotela uBandile Masuku kanye nowakwakhe uLoyiso kanye nokhulumela ihhovisi likaMengameli uKhusela Diko basalwa ngenkohlakalo kuthenda lenkampani iRoyal Baca Projects lokuhlinzeka umnyango wezempilo ngezinsiza zokuvikela igciwane icorona. I-ANC eGauteng ithi izolisukumela lolu daba njengoba yenza njalo elife esedimini.
A decision was taken that the PS will meet with the ANC deployees to government and get to understand what really happened, what was the role that the comrades played in this thing in ensuring that it get to be resolved. And that meeting will take place today. So I know he will be meeting with the Premier and then he will meet with the MEC Masuku.
AbakwaMasuku kanye nabakwaDiko babonakala besondelene kakhulu njengoba uLoyiso Masuku wayeyimpelesi kaKhusela ngenkathi egcaca. Kodwa ukuba udwendwe lolimi namathe kwabo sekufake owengamela ezempilo eGauteng kolukhulu ubishi lolu ngezinsolo zenkohlakalo.
Remember, the PEC will have to take a decision as to what needs to happen. And I'm sure you are privy to the statement that will have been released by the Youth League, calling for swift action and all of that in the manner that it was made during the Life SCD debacle.
Undunankulu waseGauteng uDavid Makhura kuleli sonto uzodedela umbiko ngophenyo olwenziwe yiSIU noluthinta ukungalandelwa kwemigudu efanele uma kukhishwa amathenda emnyangweni wezempilo eGauteng.
We are looking at the broader procurement aspect in the health department. So it's not one particular company, but the whole broader company.
Kungenzeka ukuthi iqembu elibusayo libize umhlangano ophuthumayo wesigungu esiphezulu esifundazweni ukuze kucaciswe kabanzi ngekusasa lowengamele ezempilo esifundazweni uDokotela uBandile Masuku kanye nonkosikazi wakhe uLoyiso. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba zeSABC eGoli.